Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove TurboTax Deluxe. Open Control Panel and go to Programs and Features, locate TurboTax Deluxe, then click Uninstall and follow prompts to remove files. If prompted, choose to remove user data or keep files based on your backup decision. Restart your computer after uninstall to finally begin by selecting TurboTax Deluxe in Programs and Features and choose Uninstall. Then follow the on-screen prompts exactly to remove the main application. If the routine stops, navigate to the TurboTax Install folder and run the uninstaller executable directly. After removal, empty the recycle bin and restart the PC to ensure the system registers the change and clears temporary files created by TurboTax during use. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help more people find the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect while you wait through installs and uninstalls. Check the video description for the product link and other deals, and thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After uninstalling TurboTax Deluxe, check Program Files, x86, and App Data for leftover folders and delete them manually to free space. Use File Explorer search to find files named TurboTax or Intuit and remove any old installers or temp files. Consider running a trusted cleanup tool to remove orphaned registry entries and cached data. Then reboot the machine to confirm everything loads without TurboTax present and your disk space is reclaimed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.